Myself, Mrs. Rosalie Nirmala, Department of Physical Science, Dr. SNS College of Education. So, as we are dealing with the second unit in assessment for learning paper, now we are going to see about one of the technique is project method. One of the technique is project method. So, project method was introduced by John Dewey. John Dewey. So, he only introduced the project method as John Dewey only introduced the project method. So as we all know that what is a technique? Technique is nothing but how we are using that particular tool. So here the project method is used as one of the assessment technique. Okay, so when you are teaching any topic that from that particular content you are assigning a certain topic for the project assessment to the students. So project method is one of the assessment technique. Okay. So here we have the different types of the project. So we will see that what are the different types of project. So the project may be, first one is a individual project, then group project, individual, then group, then another one is simple project, then fourth one is complex project. Okay, so there are different types of the project we are assigning the students. First one is individual project. So here we are choosing any topic and we are assigning a certain student for the individual project. Then group project, same thing, we are choosing a topic from the content what you are teaching that particular period, that we are assigning the students into the form of group. The third one is a simple project. So first, suppose you want to finish the topic within a particular time, so you are assigning the student as a simple project. So simple project may be given as an individual project or a group project. Then here fourth one is a complex project. It will require little bit time also. Okay, so they have to search more on the particular topic. Here one of the main thing as I want to mention you that it is a child-centered method, because as you all know that we have three main categories of the method of instruction. First one is the student-centered or child-centered or teacher-centered and ICT based method also. So here, for example, in the assessment technique also, we are chosen a project method is an assessment technique. So how we are assigning the students in the project method? We have the many books are given, maybe 5 steps or 7 steps like that. Anyway, whatever may be, you first have the selection of the problem. Then you have to plan or define that particular problem. For example, in school level, you can assign as suppose you are teaching a topic as a pollution, so you can take up different types of pollution may be there. So you can assign an individual project also, that is water pollution, then air pollution, noise pollution. Okay, so you ask the student to take a survey method like that. They ask the student, it is a simple thing. So you can ask the children to prepare a questionnaire format and ask the students to take a survey of the particular problem. Okay, then you should plan and also you define all the key words that one. For example, if you are taking a pollution as one of the project which you are assigning to the students, you the students must know what is pollution and what are the pollutants. Pollutant are nothing but what are the materials that causes the pollution. Like that the main words should be, keywords should be define the problem. Then you have to tabulation is also very important. So how many people are affected, like the particular age level, then what are the diseases may occur, then how to prevent. That is the main result of the project. So you should, when you are giving the assessment, you should see how they have done the project and how they are concluding. That is the main thing. So whatever you are doing in a assessment technique, what is their final conclusion, what they want to convey to the people or what they want to convey to the students. Likewise, you assess the children. So project method is one of the assessment technique. Next video we will see the another technique also. Okay.